my first ride in a long time.
Yeah, we're finally going down the road.
The air fuel's still working, about 13 and a half.
Yep.
Yeah.
Water,
Water temperature quit working?
yeah, for some reason, don't know, but got our oil pressure. Everything seems to be running fine. We need to mess with the alignment a little bit, but
Yeah, it's pretty bad right now. Yeah, we're fighting a little potential oil leak in the back, so we're gonna go take it for a ride, put it back up on the lift, and see what's going on.
yeah, we don't know what it could possibly be, if it was from the oil filter adapter or worst case scenario, main bearing or
Rear main seal.
rear main seal. Yeah.
So we did buy a new seal just in case. We changed the oil after breaking in the cam. And if we got to drop the pan, well, we got to drop the pan.
Yeah, but no, it seems to be running smooth. I'm not gonna hammer it on it for you guys right now, but that might come soon.
Yeah.
But,
Car needs a bath too, don't it?
yeah, it does. But yeah, as you can see, we got our new seats installed, and
Hey, these are pretty comfortable.
yeah, they're not
I'm
bad.
very surprised. Yeah, they hold you in pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a nice, easy ride.
Yeah, we have a really smooth engines running really good, so stoked, and
Hey, and we still got our header tick.
still got that, so you know something's got to be all right.
Yeah. It can't tick if it don't run.
Right. Yeah, so less than 2 weeks away from our first time hitting the strip.
Oh, we got a lot of work to do yet.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
man, do we got work.
A lot of work. So, yeah. Thanks for following along this whole winter. And catch you guys in the next one.